Well, hello. Williams, Philippines. It is Wednesday, June 4th, 2025. It's about 2:45 in the PM in the afternoon. Hope you've had a good week. Hope it's going good for you. I been a busy day. Didn't get near as much done as I wanted to, but I did get some good stuff taken care of. The yeah, there are so many different codes you got to get back and forth for this two-factor authentication when it comes down to banks. And when you're trying to do bank to bank, yeah, needless to say, it's a way lot more of codes than I want to admit to. But I am trying to get a couple of banks tied in together, and oh, it's such fun. Tired. Ready for the day to be done. Like I said, it's 2:45 plus now. And yeah. Oh, I'll be glad when I don't have to wear these things. Because they sure do catch a lot of glare. Anyway, listened to a friend did a bit of ranting. Apparently, some liberal nutcase says, do away with oil. Yeah, he pointed out real quick all the things that, oh yeah, oil. People don't realize how many people are alive because of oil. You think I'm joking? Yeah. All those fun little parts that go into, oh yeah, medical devices that are made of plastic. Yeah. And the plastics, the rubbers, such that, yeah, go into cars that, you know, well, all these pumps and such they're using for insulin and such. Oh, most of the needles that are used to inject are made of plastic. But hey, go ahead, let the plastic go away, and yeah, don't cry about your grandma who's got diabetes dying because she doesn't have oh enough needles. Because old glass and metal ones for syringes aren't cheap. Yeah, there's a reason they upgraded cost and sanitary. Uh, and hey, all these folks getting their food from somewhere else wrapped in plastic, crying about, yeah. If you want to try to save the planet, here, start planting seeds. Grow your food locally. But yeah, how many people are going to go out and get their little fingers all dirty digging in the dirt to plant a plant to grow food? Hmm. I miss my garden. I like getting in the dirt. And it also lets me laugh at the folks that are talking stupid, kind of like my friend talking about these idiots not wanting oil. Take it away. Okay? May you and yours go die today. That's what you're saying. Makes you wonder. Because literally, the world's built on oil or the results of oil. I mean, where's the food come from? Oh, somewhere else. And it's put on a truck and it's driven here by someone who's pumping diesel or gas, or hey, some of it's flown. So kerosene, high grade jet fuel. Hmm. Yeah, makes you wonder. Anyway, me personally, don't get me wrong. I think that in 20, 40, 50 years, maybe a little more, we can convert over. But then you also have to remember that we're still going to need plastic for the batteries. Have you ever looked at a battery to run your electric car? Yep, wrapped up inside a little brick of plastic in most cases. Yeah, your electricity for your electric car is stored in something that has plastic. Hell, lots of the pieces on the electric car are made from plastic. Yeah, kind of hard to get away from that one. It's like these women talking about don't need no man. All right, take off your man made clothes. Hey, they're man made. Yeah. Oh, don't eat that man transported food either. Unless you grow it in your backyard, you don't get to eat. Yeah. Man made. Don't get me wrong. I know we need women. I also know that women ain't equal to men. Guess what? Men ain't equal to women. But we're not the idiot females running around squawking, we don't need no man. And then commences straight off to go out and mess something up. Yeah. I don't know. Don't get me wrong, there's a bunch of women out there that are quite capable of doing a lot of things. But I would hope that they have enough sense to know that, yeah, all that man made stuff, and then you're going to complain and say you don't need a man. Well, men build this planet, build this, society. Oh, again, man made home. Yeah, we build the houses, we build the condos, the apartments. I guess you want to sleep outside. Did you make your little bush house? It's easy to do. Get out there and bust your knuckles. Get something built. Hmm. Anyway, I've had an interesting day getting the banking stuff done. And I can tell you that's a headache for sure. All the computers. Yeah. I remember them saying about computers, they were going to do away with paper. Uh-huh. Now we burn more ink and more paper printing receipts. Uh-huh. It's scary. Anyway, I hope y'all have had a blessed day. Uh, Sorry, one of my friends got off onto a rant and I caught part of it. And yeah, it is what it is. Ooh, the world's calling me. Anyway, like, comment, subscribe, fish out.